Welcome to the Candidate Review and Interview Management tutorial on TaleGlobal. In this video, we'll cover how to review candidate profiles, update interview statuses, view assessment captures, evaluate subjective answers, and reject candidates when necessary. To begin, open your dashboard and select Manage Interview from the side panel. Locate the relevant job posting and click on Applications to view the list of candidates who have applied for that position. Select any candidate from the list and click on View Details. Here, you can review the candidate's complete profile and application information. You can navigate through various sections including stages in review, personal information, educational qualifications, work experience, skills and summary, resume, and other uploaded documents. Once your review is complete, return to the stages and review section and click on Status Update. Before proceeding, carefully read and accept the terms and conditions. Next, select Candidate Status. You can choose from the following status options: pending, shortlisted for next round, on hold, pending decision, no show, or not advanced to next stage. After selecting the appropriate status, you may enter stage feedback. This feedback can include interview observations, assessment comments, or any relevant information that should be visible to the candidate. Once completed, save the update to successfully record the candidate's progress. Now, let's see how to review assessment captures and evaluate subjective answers. From your dashboard, once again open Manage Interview and navigate to the relevant job posting. Click on Applications and select the candidate you wish to review. Open View Details and go to the Stages and Review section. Scroll down to the relevant assessment stage. Here, click on View Capture. This section allows you to view camera captures recorded during the candidate's assessment session. These captures can help identify potential violations, suspicious activity, or assessment misconduct. After reviewing the captured images, click on View Answers. For subjective questions that require manual evaluation, you can review the candidate's response and assign marks accordingly. Once all subjective answers have been evaluated, click on Save Manual Evaluation. Your evaluation will be saved successfully. Now return to the Stages and Review section. The updated assessment score and evaluation results will be reflected automatically within the corresponding stage. Based on the candidate's overall performance, you can now update their status accordingly. Finally, let's see how to reject a candidate from the recruitment process. While updating candidate status, simply select Not Advanced to Next Stage from the Candidate Status drop-down list. This action will mark the candidate as rejected for the current hiring process. Any remaining interview rounds configured for that candidate will automatically be updated and the candidate will no longer progress through the recruitment workflow. Please note that employers and consultancies retain full control over candidate progression. Even if a candidate successfully passes an assessment, the employer may still choose not to advance the candidate to the next stage based on interview performance, profile review, company requirements, or any other evaluation criteria. And that's it. You now know how to review candidates, update interview statuses, evaluate assessments, view captured images, and manage candidates' progression through TaleGlobal. Thank you for watching.